Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while. Maybe not. So I'm pretty amped. I haven't had Starbucks in a long time, and I had to today because it gives me life. They're not sponsoring this video, but I would love if they did. This is an iced caramel macchiato. It is so good, especially when you don't have it that often. It's not about Starbucks. So I did buy more stuff. I gotta like stop myself from buying. Okay, so maybe I'll use the excuse that it's my birthday month. Does that work? Probably not. Let me pull up my receipt. Mini Ulta haul, and if you're curious, this eye look is the BH Cosmetics Summer in Saint-Tropez. I just did a collab with Jessica Vargas. I will leave that up here if you guys want to check that out if you haven't already, or if you just want to rewatch it. So, if you're new, my name's Bethany, and welcome to the channel. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. It's free. It helps me out. Leave a thumbs up. That lets me know that you like the video and you like these types of videos, so I can keep making more. And comment down below. I always respond. I love chit-chatting. Let me know what you didn't like, what you liked, what you want to buy from Ulta. So if you want to see what I'm breaking into, stay tuned. Okay guys, so welcome back if you are already subscribed. So here it is, my little treats. Okay, so I found a bunch of stuff that was on clearance. I'm not gonna lie, I love deals. I love shopping on a budget. I don't really like paying full price for anything. I found a bunch of stuff that was on sale. This is the Lash Princess, and it is by Essence. It's False Lash Effect Mascara. I did buy one, and I think I gave it to my best friend. So, there's the one, and I really just opened that, but okay. I like it. It's small. It's kind of got like that cone effect. So everybody talks about Essence and the Lash Princess and how you can just get into those little lashes on the bottom. I can see that. This is 12 mLs and it lasts 6 months. And while I was shopping in the Essence section online, I got this makeup buffer brush. So nice, and I love the packaging. Essence was never a brand that I ever ran into, but I seen it on so many other beauty tutorials that I was like, oh, let me go into Ulta. And I started going into Ulta in January, and then this whole COVID thing broke out, so I never really got to go back. But so it's kind of like a dense, very packed brush. It's very soft and very heavy. So some of the brushes that I've gotten BoxyCharm look less expensive, and they write that they're like 50 bucks. So this is the makeup buffer brush. I got another Lash Princess. This is the Sculpted Volume Mascara, also 12 mLs, also by Essence. I'm just gonna show you. Oh, it has more of like a bent. Oh, so cool for that volume effect. Okay. Yes, these are eye blender brushes. I got 2 of them. I'll take one out because I probably won't need both of them. And I'll probably give the other one in a giveaway. See, this is nice. It's nice and fluffy. And then it goes whoosh, fluffy, fluffy. For those creases in there, I could see how that would work, or maybe even buffing it out. It's an eye blender brush. Again, the packaging is so nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all to me. The Essence Super Last 24-hour eyebrow pomade pencil, and it says it's waterproof, and it has like, ooh, can you see that? It has like little brushes, so like when you fill it in, you can like get into it better. Okay, so there's the color. I'll just show you. And it's like a taupey brown. That's cool. The color is brown. As you guys know that I'm really not heavy on foundation. I like more of like a BB or a CC or no makeup. So I seen this Wet n Wild Photo Focus stick foundation. There we go. And it says it's new. And this is in the color Soft Beige. I do have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy and the regular one in the liquid. So I already know that one of these colors works. So I wanted to try that out. And then I got another Summer in Saint-Tropez by BH Cosmetics. And this will be for a giveaway because I have been loving this. And that's what I used in my eyes today, and it is gorgeous. If you haven't seen my BH Cosmetics haul, I will leave that there. So this was on sale, and I'll just show you the colors. Wow. I mean, they're so pretty. And then if you haven't seen the collab that I did with Jessica Vargas, I did all the swatches on that video, so if you're curious, you can check it out. I think I left the link up there because I'm not going to swatch this. Now, I was on the whole, like, I haven't tried everything from Essence, so let me just give them a shot. The Lash Princess has been, like, everywhere. I hear all about it. And before I started doing all these videos, I had given mine away, not knowing. So here's one of the palettes, and this is Salute Paris. And this is 0.47 ounces. There are the shades. I would say this is more of like a light neutral, I would say, because you do have some color, but not scary color. So like there's this grayish taupe there, or a grayish. You have this lilac pink, and then you have like a deeper purple color here. This looks like a dark taupe. Yeah, it's more of a brown. And then this is a very light, this is more lilac, and this is like a powdery pink. And they don't have names, but you can create your own names. So this is Welcome to the City of Lights, which I was lucky. I got to go to Paris in 2018 as part of our Europe trip, and it is the City of Lights. It's gorgeous. And seeing that Eiffel Tower and this building, it just brings me back. And this is just such a pretty palette again. Okay, so I did get 2 of these. Hey, LA. So I'm sure one will be for a giveaway. So let's see what one looks like. And it has like Santa Monica, Route 66, and then you have the Ferris wheel on the pier, I'm sure. So yeah, it says inspired by the gorgeous pinks and golds of Santa Monica sunset and the bright lights of Hollywood. There's 9 pigments in both of those 9. Look at that. Look at this purpley pink shades going on here. Those are beautiful to me. Like, they're very like Barbie-ish and just so girly. And then you have something that you can deepen it up. You have a few looks that I think you can probably make in here. And then you have like a skin tone or a setting for your eyelid color. So this is very pretty. I like that. And then lastly, this is BH, and this is, oh, I don't want to say that wrong, but La Vie d'un Prince. There's 12 eyeshadow colors here, and it says, launch your glam to the next level. Ooh, look at the butterfly effect. That's cool. And then it has like the colors here. All right, I wonder if they're, yep, they have names. I love when they have names. And then if you can tell, there's like, whoops, maybe you can tell now that I dropped it. It's like a star right there. You can see it in that one. Let me just cover this because I don't want my fingers to get in there. So that's really nice. And then there's horchata. Oh my God, that makes me thirsty right now. That's a really good drink if you haven't tried it. Then we have Monarch, Lavid, Cielo, Cocoon, Coco, Brillo, 1992. Interesting. Very nice colors. What do you think, guys? Some good stuff. Let me know what you think down below. Should I stop shopping? Have you tried Essence eyeshadow palettes? This is BH, so I'm sure it's gorgeous. Do you have the Lash Princess? Because I think these are gonna work out wonderfully, and when they have them on sale, why not? So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And another thing, just turn on the little bell. It goes up and down, and then you could just put it to all. That way you see whenever I upload something, it just pops up on your screen, or you could just go back and check and see if I've uploaded anything. Anyway, guys, that'll be it for today. So hit the thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching, and as always, stay safe.